The iron is wonderful before we went back into lockdown time for the third time. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. Look how dirty my hands are. Hey team, welcome to today's video. My name is Hayden. If you're brand new, I am a group exercise instructor and I post twice a week, bi-weekly. Now before I jump right in, let's address the elephant in the room. This wonderful swelling underneath my eye. Now I'm pretty certain it's a sty, but we're gonna have to wait and see how it lands. I have been cleaning it, I have been addressing it as much as possible, but there it is, it's out in the open. If you have been following my channel, you know that Adam was moving in the last vlog, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will link it up here as well as down below, or either or, for you to go check out if you would like to. Now Adam is my partner, we've been together for just under 3 years. He moved in a couple of weeks ago, and the last vlog covered that entire process, journey, etc. What we have today is the lead up to me teaching going back to teaching 5 days a week, having regular sessions before we went back into lockdown time for the third time. There were a few little bumps along the road, literal bumps on the literal road, which resulted in my first flat tire in my new car. So this is what happened when I was driving to the aquatic centre tonight to teach. I noticed the car was wobbling. Unbeknown to myself, the entire tyre is flat and split. It was one of the most stressful drives of my life. Now because I was on the freeway heading on the way to the brand new Oakley Centre to go through instructor inductions, I didn't even notice that the car was making noise and slightly wobbling. So I was driving on a flat tire. By the time I got to the center, it was well flat. I attempted my very best in my business suit to change the tire, but I couldn't get one of the wing nuts off. The iron didn't fit over it. So long story short, I had to drive back home on the flat tire, which is now shredded. I do have a spare. That was one of the most stressful drives of my life. I am a day short of renewing my roadside assistance. It's been fun. I've only just noticed this. I had no idea this was in the glove box. Like I'm gonna have to go get me a new one. Look how dirty my hands are. Well, at least it's done, and now I have to go get another one. So I wanted to update you on a few things that since Adam has moved in. We have, as you can see, the house is completely clear. All of the stuff was put away, and there was, if you are a regular here, you know that there was always in my skincare routine or my review vlogs, I would always have the same backdrop, and that's like a shelving behind me, and it's got like plants and stuff on it. You can see behind me there are a few pictures that are missing. My paintings that I painted myself, I usually have them up here. There was an easel there and there was one right here. You can see there where the charcoal has marked the wall. Well, since Adam has moved in and he brought a lot of plants with him, we decided to utilize the massive white wall here. I am actually very, very pleased with how it turned out. That's a real ivy that Adam has interspersed throughout, and I will flip the camera around and give you a thorough look. But yeah, it's definitely going to spruce up the backdrop when I do my skincare vlogs or my review vlogs from here, which is the usual position where I am standing. You can see, or maybe you can't see because it refuses to focus. Focus, please. There we go. You can see we've changed a few things around, but how good does it look? You're gonna have to let me know. All of these are done by me. I've done them myself. So yeah, I think it turned out quite nice. As you can see, I'm currently in our brand new Oakley Centre. It's Monday. This will be the first week in a very long time of teaching a class a day. So tonight I've got my brand new body step Monday night class in brand new Oakley. Then tomorrow's Tuesday I have pump in the morning, then I have my usual double Wednesday morning. I have a pump step double outside of here on Thursday, and Friday, I never thought I'd actually say this, but I'm returning to body attack. This coming Friday will be the first attack class since retiring from the program in I retired from attack in 2018, but I haven't taken that Friday attack, which used to be mine, for around 5 years. There was talks of changing it to step, which I was on board with, but a lot of the members want attack back. Wish me luck. After having done my first attack class back, I did prepare for the session. I was doing a bunch of practice of the moves, my choreography. Oh, sorry, it's the same thing. Talking and exercising at the same time, doing low and high and low impact options. All in all, it was fine. My Achilles held up, which I'm very glad about. I got that amazing attack endorphin rush afterwards and thoroughly loved the session. What was a con for me is the last time I took an attack class permanently ongoing, I was a lot fitter, and that's because that's what attack does to your body. If you're doing it regularly, it will increase your fitness fast. But this time around, after having 3 years off of teaching completely the program and 5 years off of teaching this particular class on a Friday night, I wasn't as fast and my jumps were not as high as what they used to be. But I think we're on the road to gaining those back. And there we have it. We have landed at the end of the video. It is a short and sweet video today. I've got another skincare item coming up on Monday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, team. I will see you very soon.